Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Golf key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you're working on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing any small parts. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly at home. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and simultaneously pull out the metal key blade. This action will expose a small slot or seam where the two halves of the key fob meet. This is where we will begin to gently pry it open. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the seam you just exposed. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Work slowly and apply light pressure. You should hear a small click as the halves begin to separate. Do not force it. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Note its orientation before removing it. Carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them back together until they snap securely into place. Test your key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.